Hello guys, good day everyone. This is your one and only John Chukwemeka, Engulf Cashflow. Welcome to my channel once more. Today I'm going to teach you how to claim free coins, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BCH, and Litecoin and other coins worth of 600 and over 600,000 US dollars in your Trust wallet. This is a new 2021 trick. This is a new trick that just came out, so I'm going to teach you how you are going to claim over 50 coins. Yes, over 50 coins worth of over 600,000 US dollars in your Trust wallet. So guys, you must be very quick to claim this money, maybe before it is stopped or whatever, but I am assuring you that you're going to get all this money free of charge. You don't have to skip any part of this video. If I were to be you, I would watch this video step by step, and even if I miss any particular step, I will go back and rewatch it again, because I wouldn't like to play with this type of money, this amount of money. And peradventure you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, because you do yourself good by subscribing to this channel, because from time to time we bring to you legitimate ways of making money online and getting free tokens online. These are areas, and to those of them that have hanged on with us for a while, they have really enjoyed it. And you could just subscribe to the channel, give us a thumb up, and share this video to your loved ones. It will help you a whole lot. And at the same time, you could check in the description box and click on that link to join our Telegram group, because most of the things we share on this channel have already been sent on Telegram group, and not everything we sent on Telegram group is being shared on our YouTube channel. So you do yourself more good by joining that Telegram group, and earlier the better. So I have to inform you that we are not your financial advisor or your banker. What we do here is what we have tried and it worked for us, and we decide to share. So for that reason, it is only for educational purpose and for entertainment purpose only. So anything we do here, you really have to do your own personal research before you get yourself engaged in it, because if anything goes awkward, we do not take responsibility for it. So we move ahead, guys. Before we jump right into this tutorial, I have to really inform you about this Trust Wallet thing. Please, if you're downloading Trust Wallet, you have to download the one that has Trust and Wallet separated apart for security reasons and for your safety. If you are downloading, do not download Trust the Wallet, Trust underscore wallet, and Trust hyphen wallet. I believe, in my own opinion, that those ones are not or might not likely be the legitimate one. You have to download Trust and the wallet separated apart, or peradventure you want to get the real one, you could go to trustwallet.com. Yes, then from that place you could go into maybe iOS or Apple Store to do what you have to do. So guys, we have to open Trust Wallet, this is the particular account I was telling you about. This is how the money is. I'm not even on my phone. This was, as at the time of making this video, it was still 669,325. So let me refresh, because I switched off my internet. So if I refresh, let's see how it goes. And please, to play safe on this particular trick, I will advise you to use a new Trust Wallet account. Okay guys, as you can see how this money is growing and dropping and growing. You can see that this money now, instead of 6 something, we are now on 978. This money is growing. You see, this money has entered $1 million. It has entered $1 million. It has entered $1 million, and this is how this account is continuously growing. It has entered $1 million. So guys, what do you then need to do? see all these coins. The guy that created this account is just picking from, I don't know where he's picking all these things from. There are over 100 coins or thereabouts in this place that the money keeps growing continuously. But okay, in order to get this, what do you have to do? You have to create a new account. And if you don't have Trust Wallet before now, go ahead and download Trust Wallet. Then in the process of creating the account, okay, there are, you have a Trust Wallet already. What you have to do is you come to this place that is written this settings. See this place I'm circling now. You click on that particular place. Then you click on this place. See this place. You see this place. You click on that place. As you click on that place and this gets open, guys, you see this place that is written plus. This plus sign, you click on it. You click on that plus sign in order to create that account. So don't create a new account. So please go to already have a wallet. This is where we are going to, that you already have a wallet. You create, because there is a particular address, a particular BNB address that I'm going to give to you. That address is being provided on the description box in YouTube. And if you're using mobile app, you might find it difficult copying on YouTube platform. So on that case, what you have to do is just click on our Telegram group and be able to go to Telegram to collect it, to copy it. Join our Telegram channel to copy it, or you could go to Telegram and type Englove Cashflow. You see our channel, you join. Then you will see, scroll up, you see very many coins that we have done video on before now. You see very many coins. Then you join. As you join that particular group, you should be able to copy that now. Because as you go into this place now, it will be dark, but I'll try to provide you with some write-ups. It will be very dark. You might not be able to see what I'm doing there. So I'll try to see how far I can go to provide you with write-ups or screenshots if the phone will be able to pick up screenshots. So what I'm trying to tell you now is that it is that Ethereum address, that BNB address that you are going to copy, that you are going to use to paste in the BNB area and be able to approve it. You see this coin coming through. So now we click on this already have a wallet. I don't know if you might likely be seeing this area because for security reasons, I believe they might lock it up. But I'll try to see if I'll use screenshots to show you what I'm going to do. So I'll click on this BNB. And this wallet name, I'll change it to what I like. I could just change it to anything I like. I am going to put it 2021 trick. In your own case, you could write anything you like. There's no particular, but in this when you get to this place, when you get to this second place, you have to click on address. You see where they wrote address. Yeah, they said we cannot capture this place. So guys, here once you have done that, if you input these things correctly, you are going to come into this place that they will tell you successful. So once they tell you successful, all you have to do is you click on this done. And once that is done, just leave your account for a few seconds or a few minutes and you will see the money will pump into your account. And guys, that is how I was able to see this money in my account. So then I think in my next video I should be able to plan on how we can withdraw this video, but I really have to still show you what I observed immediately. If you check your other account, I observed something. I don't know how important this could be, but if you know how it is, please still tell us. I observed that amongst other accounts I have, this one has an eye on it. I really do not know what this eye simply means. So you do. So guys, that is how I was able to get this money into my account. But like I said earlier, please open this. Well, you cannot even open it with open it with a new Trust Wallet account. It is very, very important to play safe. Please open with a new Trust Wallet account to play safe. And please, I might not be able to answer questions on this. I was not the creator. I just saw it, I did it, it worked. I might not be able to answer questions beyond what I've already shown you on this platform now. But peradventure, I still do more research and something new comes out, I'll still come back and inform you. What I just did is that I saw something working, I tried it, it worked for me, and I decided to share to the community. So please, I'm not the creator, I'm not the originator. I just saw I did, it worked, I decided to share to you. So that is all I know about this particular address. Please do subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified each time we do a new video. Share to your loved one. Love is sharing and sharing is loving. Thank you very much. Remain blessed. One love.